I have a confession. Yesterday, I was guilty of what many of us call the just one more bite syndrome. For those of you who don't know what it entails loosening the top button of your pants, untucking your shirt, and digging in for just one more bite. But even though everyone around my table ate plenty, there was still lots of leftovers. So to use them up, today I'm making a turkey tetrazzini that'll knock your socks off. Here we have some sliced mushrooms simmering in chicken broth. To that, we add some milk. Once that's heated, we'll add cornstarch we dissolved in a little white wine. Or you can use chicken broth. After it thickens up, we take it off the heat, season it with a little salt and pepper, and add a good amount of turkey that we've cut up along with cooked spaghetti. This gets poured into a baking dish, topped with breadcrumbs and placed in the oven. When it's bubbly hot, it's time to call the troops to the table. Let me tell you, this is the kind of comforting meal that everyone wants after getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning to spend the day shopping. To get the recipe for our Tempting Turkey Tetrazzini, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a love your leftovers way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. How is it? Third plate?
Pretty good.
That's good.